Hello friends, today we are going to learn some easy tricks of addition using Vedic maths. So to start with, let's see the addition table. Now the addition table is about all the single digit numbers, that is from 0 to 9. So these are all the combinations that we'll get when we add two single digit numbers, that is starting from 0 up to 9. So the smallest one is 0 plus 0 is 0 and the largest one is 9 plus 9, 18. So 18 is the highest sum you will get when you add two single digit numbers, that is 9 plus 9, you will get 18. So this is the highest one you will ever get. After 18 we have 19. But 19 we get only when we add 10 and 9. Now 10 is not a single digit number, it's a two digit number. So 18 is the highest sum you will get when we add two single digit numbers. So total there are 100 combinations like this, like 0 plus 0, 0 plus 1, 0 plus 2, 0 plus 3 or 3 plus 1, 3 plus 2, like this. We have total 100 combinations. Now to remember this single digit sums, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the sums which are single digit. So this is very easy. Like 5 plus 4 is 9, 6 plus 3 is 9, 7 plus 1 is 8. So these are easy to count. We are by hearting that one. The only problem lies when it comes to a two digit numbers, like 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. In this area only most of the students face the problem. Like when you ask 9 plus 8, they just think for a moment, then answer it. Okay, so now for 9 plus 8 they cannot use the fingers like this. So 9 in the mind and 8 in the hands, like that. It takes time. So for this what we have done, we have listed out some two digit sums. So what are the possible two digit sums? We'll have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. These are the only possible two digit sums when you add a single digit number. Okay. So total like this we have 25 combinations. So that 100 combinations we have filtered to 25 now. So if you remember these 25 combinations, any sum will be easy to calculate. But this 25 combinations we have to remember. Then only we can follow any addition tricks. So you can see here how we get 10. We get 10 only when we add 9 and 1 or 8, 2, 7, 3, 6, 4, 5 and 5. So these are the 5 combinations we have. Or else we can do in the reverse also, like 4 and 6, 3 and 7, 2 and 8, 1 and 9. So you have to remember this much to get 10. So how we get 10? 9, 1, 8, 2, 7, 3, 6, 4 or 5, 5. You have to remember. Like that, for 11, 9 plus 2, 8 plus 3, 7 plus 4, 6 plus 5. Like this you have to remember all the 25 combinations. It should be by hearted properly. Then only we can use the addition tricks. Okay. So we have to remember these 25 combinations starting from 10 up to 18. These are the sum we will get when we add two single digit numbers. Now, so when you are using the Vedic method, so here we have a method called dot method or a dash method. Both are the same thing. Either we can use a dot or you can use a dash. This is also called as a bar method. So what is this dot and dash? You can see here 11. So 11 is written as dash 1 or dot 1. So this dot represents this tens. This bar represents, or this dash also represents this tens. So 12 is written as dash 2 or dot 2. So the dot represents the base 10. The dot represents the base 10. So if it is tens, that means it is a dot. So when I put a dot, that means it represents tens. So like this, suppose to write 10 using dots, so you can write dot 0 or else dash 0. So this one you have to remember. So for 11 it will be dot 1, for 12 dot 2, 14 dot 4, 17 dot 7, 18 dot 8. Now we have seen why up to 18 we have done. As we have seen in the earlier one, the 2-digit sums, the highest one will get is 18 when you add single digits. So using the 25 combinations only, we will add as many numbers we want. Okay. So let's see now. As you can see here, we are having some additions. Now we have here, you can see 8, 9, 7, 5, 7, 6, 3, 9, 8, 5. Now if you start adding it like 5 plus 8, 13, 13 plus 9, 22, plus 3, 25, 31, 38, 43, 50, 59, 67. So the sum is 16. But it is not easy for all the students because they get confused when we are just adding a 2-digit number and a single digit, or 2-digit with another 2-digit like this. So suppose you ask them 13 plus 9 or 28 plus 9, they get stuck. So it creates a problem for them. So to make it easy, we will follow the 2-digit sums with the 25 combinations starting from 10, 11, 12 up to 18. If you remember that much, it is enough to do this addition tricks. So we'll start and we will see how we are using this dot method. So let's start with 5. 5 plus 8. How much? 5 plus 8 is 13. 13 means, as you can see here, when I say 10 is a dot 0, 18 is dot 8, so 13 will be dot 3. So 5 plus 8 is 13. So dot 3 in the mind. Remember this one. Dot 3 in the mind. So 3 plus 9, 12. Dot 2 in the mind. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 6, 11. 11 mane dot 1 in the mind. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 mane dot 3 in the mind. 3 plus 7, 10. 10 mane dot 0 in the mind. 0 plus 9, 9. 9 plus 8, 17. 17 mane dot 7 in the mind. So 7 will put here. Now we'll count how many dots are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got the answer. Next, let's do another one. We can see here. So let's start with 9. 9 plus 8, 17. Dot 7 in the mind. 7 plus 7, 14. Dot 4 in the mind. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 9, 17. 17 mane dot 7. 7 in the mind. 7 plus 7, 14. Dot 4 in the mind. 4 plus 8, 12. Dot 2 in the mind. 2 plus 9, 11. Dot 1 in the mind. 1 plus 6, 7. Next, how many dots? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here we get 6. So that is 67. So we can add like this also. 9 plus 8, 17. 17 plus 7, 24. Plus 4, 28. 37, 44, 52, 61 and 67. But it is not easy for everyone. That's why we will follow this method, so that whoever are facing difficulty in adding a 2-digit and a single digit number, they also can do it easily. Okay. So let's take another example. So let's start. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 mane dot 6 in the mind. 6 plus 9, 15. Dot 5 in the mind. 5 plus 6, 11. Dot 1 in the mind. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 9, 17. Dot 7 in the mind. 7 plus 8, 15. 15 mane dot 5 in the mind. 5 plus 9, 14. So dot 4 in the mind. So 4 is the last number. We can put it here. Next we'll count how many dots are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer becomes 64. So in this way we can add any number of digits here. Just we have to remember this one. So 10 is dot 0 up to 18. 18 mane dot 8. Now let's take some 2-digit numbers and do the additions. Using the same method, we'll do it. So we can see here, we'll start with 4. So 4 plus 9, 13. 13 mane dot. Here we'll put the dot now. So 4 plus 9, 13. So dot 3 in the mind. 3 plus 7, 10. 10 mane dot 0 in the mind. 0 plus 5, 5. 5 plus 8, 13 dot 3 in the mind. 3 plus 9, 12 dot 2 in the mind. 2 plus 5, 7. Okay. Next. So these dots will be counted as tens now. So this is the tens place. So all the dots will be tens now. So this is 110. These are all tens. So let's start counting now. 2 plus 6, 8. 8 plus the dot. That means that is 9. So 2 plus 6, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 8, 17. So dot 7 in the mind. After 7 you can see here one more dot is there. So you have to count that one also. So 7 plus 1 dot, that is 8. 8 plus 3, 11. So 11 mane dot 1 in the mind. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus dot 9. 9 plus 6, 15. So dot 5 in the mind. 5 plus dot 6. 6 plus 4, 10. So dot 0. 10 mane dot 0. Next we'll count 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 dots. So 407. That is 407. Next, let's start, do the another one. So here 7 plus 9. So 16. So dot 6 in the mind. 6 plus 5, 11 dot 1 in the mind. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 8, 15. So dot 5 in the mind. 5 plus 9, 14. So dot 4 in the mind. Okay. Next we have again 8. 8 plus 7, 15 dot 5 in the mind. 5 plus dot 6. 6 plus 8, 14 dot 4 in the mind. 4 plus dot 5. 5 plus 7, 12 dot 2 in the mind. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus dot 6. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 dot 1 in the mind. 1 dot 2. Next 1, 2, 3, 4 dots. So it becomes 424. So we can check the answer also here. So as we do 9 plus 8, 17, 17, 6, 23, 28, 37, 44. 4, 4. 44 mane 4 down, 4 to the carried one. So 4 plus 5, 9, 3, 12, 19, 27, 34, 42, 2, 4. So it is correct. So it becomes easy if you remember only that 25 combinations. Now let's see the same thing here, but this time let us take dash. Okay. So 3 plus 9, 12. 12 mane dash 2. 2 plus 8, 10 dash 0. 0 plus 7, 7. 7 plus 6, 13. 13 mane dot 3 in the mind. 3 plus 5, 8. Next 8 plus 7, 15 mane dash 5 in the mind. 5 plus dash 6. 6 plus 6, 12 dash 2 in the mind. 2 plus dash 3. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 4, 12 dash 2 in the mind. 2 dash 3, 3, 3, 6. How many dash are there? 3 are there. So we can write 368. We can check the answer also. 5 plus 6, 11. 11, 7, 18. 18, 8, 26. 35, 38. 8, 3. 3, 3, 6. 10, 15, 21, 28, 36. So the answer is correct. So we can use this dot method or dash method with any number of digits. Let's see now with some large numbers. So we have taken some 3-digit numbers, 4-digit numbers and 6-digit numbers also. So let's see how it works. So we'll use the same method, that's the dot method. So we'll start from units place, that is 9. 9 plus 4, 13. 13 mane dot 3. 3 in the mind. 3 plus 7, 10. 10 mane dot 0. 0, 9, 9. 9 plus 8, 17. 17 mane dot 7. Again 8 plus 7, 15, dot 5 in the mind. 5 plus dot 6, 6 plus 5, 11, 11 mane dot 1 in the mind. 1 plus dot 2, 6, 8, 8 plus 5, 13 mane dot 3 in the mind. Then 3 and the dot we get 4. Next 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus dot 10, 10 mane dot 0 in the mind. 0 plus 8, 8, 8 plus dot 9, 9 plus 7, 16 dot 6 in the mind. 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus dot 10, 10 mane dot 0. Next we have 3 dots, so we will write 3. So the answer becomes 3047. Now we will see another example with the large numbers. So you can see here 8 plus 5, 13 dot 3 in the mind. 3 plus 7, 10 dot 0 in the mind. 0 plus 4, 4, 4 plus 5, 9. Next 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus dot 8 plus dot 9, 9 plus 9, 18. So dot 8 in the mind. 8 plus 6, 14 dot 4. 14 mane dot 4. Next 9 plus 2, 11. So dot 1. 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 6, 10. 10 mane dot 0 in the mind. 0 plus dot 1, 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus dot 10. So dot 0. 10 mane dot 0. Next 6 plus dot 7, 7 plus 8, 15. 15 mane dot 5 in the mind. 5 plus dot 6, 6 plus 7, 13. 13 mane dot 3 in the mind. 3 plus dot 4. Then we have 2 dots. So the answer becomes 24,049. So let's see one more. So we are adding it. So we'll start from down only always. So 9 plus 6, 15. 15. So 15 mane dot 5. 5 plus 9, 14 dot 4. 4 plus 2, 6. Next 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus dot 10. So dot 0. 0 plus 8, 8, 8 plus dot 9, 9 plus 3, 12 dot 2. 8 plus 7, 15 dot 5. 5 plus dot 6, 6 plus 7, 13 dot 3. 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus dot 8. Next 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus dot 9, 9 plus 4, 13 dot 3 in the mind. 3 plus dot 4, 4 plus 5, 9. Next 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 5, 13 dot 3 in the mind. 3 plus dot 4, 4 plus 6, 10. So dot 0. The last column. So 3 to 5, 5 plus 5, 10. So dot 0 in the mind. Dot means 1. So 1 plus 7, 8, 8 plus dot 9. And we have only one dot, that is 1. So like this we can add any large number. So here what we are doing, only we are remembering the 25 combinations. The 25 combinations are very much important. So these 25 combinations we have to remember. Then only these methods will be easy. Thank you and keep exploring.